In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed Temu's $10 26-inch synthetic brownish orange lace wig. I also styled it a different way, so stay tuned.
I don't play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free. That's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am IAMDACARDIA, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. Baby, when you see this cap, just know I got a new wig. Yes, I got a new wig from Temu, and I spent $10.81 for this. Baby, $10 got me this and a free wig cap. Oh man, y'all already know. Let me go ahead and show you guys this unit. So pulling this unit out of this bag, this color is gorgeous. I'm absolutely loving this unit. Like I say in every video, don't forget to take the gut out. Now, let me show you guys the details of this unit. The hairline on this unit is decent. This is a 13x4 lace. This is also a 26-inch unit and it is 180 density. Now, let me give you the details on the inside. So it has two combs on the side, it has one in the middle, and it does not have one in the back, but it does have adjustable straps. And that's all the details. So let's go ahead and get started installing this wig.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I get hella flea. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a pretty clean, boost your self-esteem. I get top in the morning, so I feel like baby king. First is black, step on something, so I just like baby D. Bitch, I'm cool, pussy awesome, that you know it's giving cream. I got hoes, when there's not enough, come build a nigga team.
I need chills, I told that nigga, he like a baby, carry that on my hip, I just think it's up, cause shawty got me trust.
Oh girl, this hair is so freaking cute. I absolutely love this wig. I love the way that I styled it, first of all. Like, I mean, oh, I can't even describe it. This is so cute. Alright, so let's talk about the things that I've done off camera. So I did cut a ton of layers. I only cut layers on this side. I didn't touch this side. I just wanted to keep it this length. I cut layers in the bang area, some right here. You know, it's cute. So when I put the wig on, I did turn it to the side. It's not much parting space, so that's why I tilted to the side a little bit. Okay. This was not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be a better swoop than this. I did what I can, okay? I took a piece out right here and on the side. I cut it, I swooped it, I took this out, did a braid. I kind of like, you know, poofed it out a little. I poofed it out a little bit. I know you guys can pretty much see this lace. I ain't do the best. But you know what? That little swoop right there helped me out. Curls really falling into place. Like, I ain't really have to do too much. It's a ginger color, copper or whatever. I mean, it's still fall, so I'm still gonna wear it. I didn't have that much problems out of it. I'm pretty sure if I put like any type of oil in it, it'll do. But overall, this is a synthetic unit, and I just feel like it's a little frizzy right here at the ends. Maybe I should just cut a little layers in it or something like that in order to keep that down. But overall, it is what it is. If I were to give it a rating, it would be a 9, most definitely. Lace is good. The hair, it's decent. Like I said, it's a synthetic unit, so of course you're going to get some tangling. This will be a cute unit if it was half up, half down. I would absolutely love to see that as well. So you can really do this unit, you know, several ways. Like for instance, I did this. This is cute. Even if you do this side and do a braid in the back, y'all see how cute that would be? All the information is in the description box. Every unit that I get, the link is in the description box. You can just go there, you know, purchase this unit. And I caught a deal on this one, okay? Y'all know I be catching them deals. I guess that is it for this video, y'all. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. This is so cute. Yo girl. Yeah. Thank you so much. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I get hella flea. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a pretty clean, boost your self-esteem. I get top in the morning, so I feel like baby king. First is black, step on something, so I just like baby D. Bitch, I'm cool, pussy awesome, that you know it's giving cream. I got hoes, when there's not enough, come build a nigga team.
I need chills, I told that nigga, he like a baby, carry that on my hip, I just think it's up, cause shawty got me trust.